Best photo boxes. Choose one based on your needs. Portable options are available for on-the-go shoots. Affordable for beginners. High-quality models for professionals. Ensure your products look their best online. Great investment for online sellers. Elevate your photography skills. Enhance visual appeal of your products. Consider durability and lighting options when choosing. List number captures stunning photos with the Benoist Lightbox photography. This portable shooting tent features 120 bright LEDs for clear, vibrant images. Perfect for jewelry, watches, cosmetics, and food photography. 6 versatile backdrops offer creative options for every shot. Compact and easy to set up, it fits any workspace. Elevate your photography with professional results effortlessly. Advantages: the Benoist Lightbox photography is ideal for crisp photos. Its compact design allows easy portability for photographers on the go. Bright LED lights ensure consistent lighting for every photo. Different backdrops offer versatility for various product shots. Perfect for jewelry, watches, cosmetics, and food photography. List 2. Capture stunning photos effortlessly with the Puluz Mini Photo Studio Lightbox. Ideal for small products. It offers vibrant lighting with 96 high-quality LED lights. The portable design ensures easy setup and storage anywhere you go. Choose from 6 double-sided color backgrounds to enhance your shots. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike seeking quality results. Advantages: capture professional quality photos with ease. The Puluz Mini Photo Studio Lightbox offers a compact and user-friendly setup, making it simple to achieve stunning results. Perfect for small product photography. Enhance image color accuracy. With a CRI greater than 95, the 96 pieces LED lights ensure vibrant colors and true-to-life representation. Ideal for detailed product shots. Enjoy versatile background options. 6 double-sided color backgrounds allow creative flexibility. Tailor your photography to suit different moods and themes. Benefit from portability and convenience. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. A great choice for photographers on the go. Simplify your photography process. Quick setup and easy operation make it accessible for all skill levels. Perfect for beginners and professionals alike. List number. Capture stunning photos with the Glendon Portable Photo Studio Lightbox. Perfect for jewelry and small items. This kit includes 112 LED lights and 6 backdrops. Easy to set up and use. Ideal for photographers seeking professional quality images. Compact and convenient design. Advantages: capture stunning photos with this portable photo studio lightbox. Dimmable LED lights ensure perfect lighting for every shot. 6 backdrops provide versatility for different photography styles. Compact design allows easy setup and storage anywhere. Ideal for jewelry and small item photography enthusiasts. List number. Capture stunning photos with the Lightdow Photo Studio Lightbox. Equipped with 120 high-quality LEDs, it ensures excellent brightness for perfect shots. 6 interchangeable backdrops offer versatility, allowing you to showcase toys, jewelry, watches, and cosmetics beautifully. Easy to set up and fold, this portable light box makes photography simple wherever you go. With adjustable brightness, achieve the ideal lighting for every picture. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Advantages: capture stunning images effortlessly with the Lightdow Photo Studio box. This compact studio offers versatile shooting options for small items like jewelry and toys. Experience professional lighting with 120 high-quality LEDs, ensuring vibrant colors. The CRI 95 rating guarantees true-to-life colors in every photograph. Adjustable brightness settings allow for perfect lighting control. Tailor the light to suit different subjects and styles effortlessly. Quick setup and portability make it ideal for photographers on the go. Easily fold and carry it to any location for convenient shooting. 6 included backdrops provide creative flexibility for diverse backgrounds. Experiment with different colors to enhance your photography projects. List 9. Capture stunning photos with the Lightdow Photo Studio Lightbox. Its 120 high-quality LEDs ensure bright, even lighting. The box comes with 6 colorful backdrops, perfect for any product. A handy desktop tripod offers stable support for your camera. Ideal for shooting toys, jewelry, watches, and cosmetics. Easily portable and folds up for quick storage. Advantages: capture stunning photos with ease. The Lightdow 12x12x12 Photo Studio Lightbox provides a perfect environment for product photography. Ideal for toys, jewelry, watches, and cosmetics. Here are 5 advantages of using this versatile tool. Portable and compact. Easily carry it wherever you go. Perfect for photographers who need flexibility. Dimmable LED lights. Adjust lighting to suit your needs. 120 LEDs ensure bright and clear images. High color accuracy. CRI 95 delivers true colors in every shot. Your products look their best. Includes 6 backdrops. Choose from various colors for different moods. Enhance the visual appeal effortlessly. Desktop tripod included. Stable shots made simple. No worries about shaky images.